Hello everyone! I'm Mira Baluca, Financial Planner from FWD at eto na nga, excited na ako na ipakilala sa inyo etong si FWD The One. Eto na yung The One na hinihintay nyo. Alam nyo ba, eto lang yung The One na hindi kayo bibiguin at hindi kayo iiwanan. Eto lang yung FWD The One who truly protects you and to your family. Ayan, nakikita natin no, sa FWD The One, merong life protection, quick apply and no medical exam required. Sino nga ba si FWD The One? Ito, si FWD The One, this is a yearly renewable plan that can be bought online and allows you to choose a package depending on your needs. So you can get covered against life uncertainties at your convenience. So you can buy this online. Napakasimple lang at mura lang. And I'm sure, pasok na pasok to sa budget mo. And guys, alam niyo ba na merong apat na variants si FWD The One. First, FWD The One for Life. Second, FWD The One for Life and CI, Critical Illness. Yun. Third, FWD The One for Life and Accident. And last but not the least, FWD The One CI and Accident. Yeah. FWD The One for Life, life insurance coverage to 300K, life insurance protection until age 100. At ito ang kagandahan dito, no? Until age 100, meron ka ng life insurance. Our second variant, FWD The One for Life and CI. Ito ang maganda. Kasi meron siyang critical illness na 200K and life insurance na 300K. Yung critical illness, no, like cancer, stroke, heart disease, na usually nangyayari sa ngayong panahon na sobrang init, ang daming nai-stroke, ang daming inaatake ang dami rin mga babae nagkakaroon ng cancer. Di ba? Pagdating ng 30 natin, no, parang malaki ang possibility na nagkakaroon ng cancer. So, kung may critical illness ka, itong kukunin mo, meron kang 200K na makukuha. At kahit papano, syempre, meron kang pera na pampagamot sa critical illness. And illiterate ko lang po, na we pay 100% of the benefit amount if the insured persons is diagnosed with any of the 42 major critical illness beyond the 90-day waiting period. And meron tayong survival period of 14 days, meaning to say, pag na-diagnose si client ng stroke, kunyari, kailangan niya mabuhay muna ng 14 days bago siya makapag-file ng claim. On 15th day, tayo mag-file. Example, mag-diagnose ka ng stroke, tapos namatay si client, no, ng 5 days. So, hindi siya makaklaim ng critical illness niya, kundi yung ibibigay natin sa kanya is life insurance na 300K na makiklaim ng beneficiaries. And our third variant, ito na yung FWD The One for Life and Accident. Life insurance 300K and accident death 500K. Ito maganda to, yung mga lagi nasa labas, yung mga nagda-drive, diba, like Grab, Lalo Move, Angkas, Joyride, Shopee Delivery, Lazada, diba? Kasi lagi sila nasa labas at hindi naman natin alam ang aksidente, lalo na pag sa kalsada. At i-clarify ko lang po yung accident po kasi is accidental death po. Yung namatay po si client through accident. At pag namatay si client sa aksidente, sige, beneficiary makaka-claim ng 800K kasi life insurance 300K plus 500,000 na accidental death. At pero pag si client namatay sa sakit at hindi sa aksidente, ang beneficiaries niya makaka-claim ng death benefit na 300K. And last but not the least, ito ang pinakagusto ko, no? Ito yung kompleto na FWD The One for Life, with critical illness and accident. O diba kompleto na, dito ka na, san ka pa? 3-in-1. Meron ka ng life insurance na 300K, critical illness na 200K, and accidental death na 600K. Yan ang cover ni FWD The One Life, CI and Accident. Ayan, o 'di ba? Ganyan kaganda ang ating FWD The One. May 1-year camp peace of mind and very affordable pa. So guys, for more information or may gusto pa kayong itanong at gustong malaman about sa FWD The One, just send me a message sa aking FB account and I will assist you po. Once again, I'm Mina Baluka, your licensed financial planner from FWD. Thank you!